Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's Galaxy Fan Edition series. If you are a tech enthusiast like me, you are in for a treat, so let's jump right into it. Recently, Samsung has been making waves with its Fan Edition lineup, offering top-notch features at a more affordable price. And this year, it seems like they're gearing up to drop some exciting new additions. First up, let's talk about the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. There are rumors that Samsung has something big in store for us. Word on the street is that Samsung has begun production of display panels for this beauty, and guess what? It's packing some serious upgrades. With a sleek new display driver IC from Anapass, we're looking at slimmer bezels and a thinner profile. And let's not forget about the display quality. FHD plus screen with a possible 120Hz LTPO panel? Sign me up! Plus, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset under the hood, this phone is shaping up to be a powerhouse. While we're still waiting on an official release date, whispers suggest we might see it drop in the second half of the year. Exciting times ahead, folks! Now let's shift gears and talk about wearables. Samsung isn't just stopping at phones, they've got something special for all of us in the smartwatch department too. Say hello to the Galaxy Watch Fan Edition. This isn't your average wearable, folks. Sporting model numbers SMR 866FR, SMR 866U, and SMR 866N, it's clear Samsung means business. With a design reminiscent of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and powered by Wear OS with One UI on top, this watch is the perfect blend of style and functionality. And let's not forget that physical rotating bezel, a fan favorite. Keep your eyes peeled because this one's going global, hitting shelves in South Korea, the US, and beyond. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about innovation meets affordability. Samsung might just be shaking up the market with a more budget-friendly foldable phone set to debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series. Picture this, a sleek foldable device that will be more affordable than ever. Yes, you heard that right. Priced at around $800, this pocket-friendly foldable is set to make waves. While it may sport a mid-range chipset and a slightly smaller battery to keep costs down, rest assured, it's not skimping on the essentials. With the same stellar camera setup as its pricier counterpart, the Galaxy Z Fold, you'll be capturing memories in style without breaking the bank. And there you have it, folks! The latest scoop on Samsung's Galaxy Fan Edition series. What are your thoughts on these upcoming releases? Are you as excited as I am? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech goodness. Until next time, peace out.